Anyway, that area that they're playing, that's a dirt, that's a sand. I've been throwing dirt and sand together in there because I want to cement it or put more pavement in there and all the way to that fence area. As you guys see, I'm going to put it there more little by little. So yeah, as for now, I am going to super clean it and do some washer pressure because it's been a year that I have not do the washing. So as you guys see, it's turning molding. So I have this water pressure that I had my husband bought. My husband bought this for it's really good. Good. They're scared of the noise. Put that dirt, the sand back, please.
Oh, I'm not scared of that noise.
No, you don't need to be scared with the noise.
I'm not
So
scared.
that's what I'm going to do. As you guys see, there's cleaning this mold that's in the window. Can't see, stop. Before I start, so as you guys see, there is, I don't know how long this house been. See the mold and the side of the house. It's been a year that I have not. I usually do it for at least twice a year, but for some reason, it's been a year that I have not pressure washer it. So I'm gonna pressure washer it all the way there, and then on also my concrete, also the back porch concrete. It's really
we're bullying, right?
there's all my grandkids.
What are these eggs? Ugly eggs.
What is the matter with you?
She was messing up my sandcastle and she was putting her
JC, you in a Christian, you in your cousin obviously, Christian, you and your cousin doesn't get along. What's wrong with you guys? Every time you guys together, always arguing. What's wrong?
I'm not arguing with her. I'm just telling her to stop. Dad's like, can you stop?
Later, we're going to go swimming. Go swimming, so it's okay for us to get messy, right, guys?
Yeah. Why there's no babies in here?
A baby.
Yeah, baby eggs.
So far, everyone, I just got finished with that side. This window area, it looks much better than it was before, but you know, it's not, I don't know, there's the mold, it's almostly come off, But this window here, I don't know what to do with that. I've spraying some grease. It looks like greasy and everything. So I'm gonna have, I think what happened is because our barbecue, when we were doing barbecue before, it was there right here and in this side. So I think the barbecue, when we were doing some barbecue, is the grease is splashed in there, and I don't know. So that's what happened. So I've been trying to figure it out what to do with this side here, and I got this here. I don't know if it's going to work, but so I've been spraying it, hoping it will come off. But if not, I'm just gonna have to paint this later. So, and then I'm gonna pressure wash it again. See if I'm gonna leave it there for a good 20 minutes before I spray it again. So yeah, and of course my grandkids, I had to stop with my water pressuring because my grandkids decided they wants to go ahead and swimming. So yeah, yes, I'm gonna let them finish swimming, and then later when they're resting anymore, I'm gonna try to go to Lowe's and get some that burr where you can put and burn the leaf, because look, once it gets very sunny, I'm gonna gather all this leaf and burn this, because I am getting sick of this here, and I'm afraid that snakes might get in here. And this bushes right here, so that you see right here, I'm going to trim it, and basically if I can just cut a bunch of that, I can. But I'm just so scared that there's worms or inch worm will fall into my hair, which I'm very, very scared of it. I hate any kind of worms that crawl in the ground. Ugh. So yeah, little by little, I'm going to remove these branches around my fence that's going in the fence. I'm going to do that little by little. So it's gonna be a while for me to do it, but I will definitely do it, finish that this year. Not well, of course, at the beginning of this year. So as you guys see, it's because my plant is to remove these branches that's going into my fence, and then remove that bamboo stuff that my son put a stick. That's just one stick of bamboo, and it went all over. It's been a couple years. It went all over, and I don't really want it all over in the yard and everything. So I'm gonna pull it out and, you know, not let it grow in there. So, and then after I take all these branches out, I'm going to spray paint the fence with white. That's my plan. So hopefully that will happen soon. All right, shall continue with my water pressure later. So far, I finished with that side. Now, I'm doing gonna be hurt. Let me just put some water in the. Go get that bucket. I mean that small swimming pool.
Yeah.
Give me that small swimming pool.
So we can wash it.
Yeah, because this is gonna be hurt if once I put it through your skin. Because this is a very, very high, very strong pressure. I need to paint this in a smoothness because the paint is coming off and I need to smooth it and then paint.
Stay here.
Hello everyone. After 2 hours of cleaning my backyard, I did, oh, it's kind of dark. I forgot I closed. I'm going to show you guys my just a little clean backyard. My hair is still wet. It's still messy, but as you guys see, my granddaughter, she cleaned, did the pressure washer on the porch. Not porch, is the right here. She did the water pressure. It's not although we clean, but for some reason that area is just too tough to clean and everything. She did that. She did a good job, I think so. But anyway, I got so tired doing the water pressure the back. So as you guys see, let me show it to you guys. So I can't reach the one all the way to the top. I can't reach that. So I might have to get some really high ladder to reach in there one of this day. But otherwise, just halfway from my house, and I did a good job of removing that mold. Okay, the mold. So, and then I'm going around. Maybe next week I'm going to do the rest right here in the side where the air conditioner and heater. I'm gonna go that side, but of course I'm gonna just do the halfway. And for my next house project cleaning. So everyone, thank you so mga kalala. So please stand by.